After customizing your vocabulary file on the NovaChat, you should back them up to another location. One way to do this is by using Chat Editor on a Windows computer. You can download Chat Editor for free from the Saltillo website. Click on Support and Education, then Downloads. Scroll down to Chat Editor, then click on All Downloads. Once installed, connect your NovaChat to the computer using the included USB cable. You may see a pop-up on your NovaChat asking you to allow access to the tablet data. Select Allow. Your NovaChat will now be in transfer mode. Launch Chat Editor on your computer. The first time you open Chat Editor, you will be asked to create a new configuration. Select OK. Next, you need to choose which device you are connecting to. Select NovaChat Chat Fusion, and then select OK. Select which language or languages you are supporting on your NovaChat. Then select OK. Then you will select the symbols that you are using on your NovaChat. If you have not purchased the PCS symbol add-on for your NovaChat, those symbols will not be available in Chat Editor. Give your configuration a name and select OK. No vocabulary file will appear the first time you open Chat Editor. At the top of the screen, you should see the devices connected. If not, close Chat Editor and disconnect the cable. Try connecting the NovaChat again and relaunching Chat Editor. Notice the menu bar at the top of the screen. Library is where you will find vocabulary files and where you can transfer files to and from your NovaChat. Click on Library. In the pop-up, click on Transfer. Select Vocabs to and from device. You will see files on your NovaChat on the right and files in Chat Editor on the left. Select the file you want to back up to Chat Editor, then select To Editor. Once the transfer is complete, you will see that file name on the left. Select Done. All customized vocabulary files will be found under the My Resources tab. Select your transferred vocabulary file, then click on Open. You now have a backup of your vocabulary file. You can safely eject your NovaChat from the computer. When you are ready to transfer a vocabulary file back to your NovaChat, connect your device to the computer and launch Chat Editor. Go to Library, then go to Transfer. Select Vocabs to from device. Select your file from the left column in Chat Editor, then select To Device. You will be notified that a file with that name is already on the device. You can choose to rename it or override the file on the NovaChat. When the transfer is complete, click on Done and then click on Close. You can now safely eject the NovaChat from your computer. To learn more about NovaChat and Chat Editor, go to the Saltillo website and click on Support and Education. You will find support articles, the NovaChat user guide, and recorded trainings to assist you. You can continue your learning for the NovaChat on our AAC Learning Journey website.